I'm going to show you how I recreated Ridge Wallet's top performing ads on Instagram and Facebook using Cosmos, Claude Code, Figma MCP, and Remotion. Check it out. We're going to preview the finished ad.
Nice.
That I used with Claude Code and Remotion. Next, I'm going to get some reference images. So I went to the Meta Ads API. This is where you can look up all the ads that are live on the platform. And so these I'm going to use as references. They are sorted by the ones with the most impressions. Next, I'm going to remove the background from one of the images that I created with Cosmos. And these are the backdrops that I created so that I can give it some texture. Those are my reference images. And here's what Cosmos came up with. And that's the one I'm going to use. Next, I'm going to connect to Figma MCP with Claude Code, where I'm going to layer in each element of the ad so that I can recreate it piece by piece. And now, once this is done, I'm going to pass it back to Remotion with Claude Code to create this animated version of it.